Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken Alfredo with canned sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast, 1 jar of your favorite Alfredo sauce, and 8 ounces of pasta, like fettuccine. Don't forget a little olive oil, salt, and pepper to season your chicken. This quick meal is perfect for a busy weeknight. Next, let's get our main components cooking. Start by boiling your pasta according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente. While that's happening, cut your chicken breast into 1-inch pieces and season them generously with salt and pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat, then cook the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's golden brown and cooked through. Now it's time to bring everything together for that creamy goodness. Once your pasta is cooked, drain it well and set it aside. Pour the entire jar of Alfredo sauce directly into the skillet with your cooked chicken. Stir the sauce and chicken gently to ensure everything is well combined. Let this mixture simmer over low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes, just until the sauce is heated through and bubbly. Finally, let's get ready to enjoy your delicious creation. Add the drained pasta directly into the skillet with the warm chicken and Alfredo sauce. Toss everything together gently until every strand of pasta is beautifully coated in that rich, creamy sauce. For an extra touch, you can garnish with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Serve it immediately and savor your easy, homemade chicken Alfredo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.